Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Today I would like to share a short tutorial on how you can use Google Classroom to conduct the midterm examination or test 1, and also to link the Google form created by our TDE Dr. Hasnun uh, in the Google Classroom. So this is the interface of my Google Classroom. These are all the classes that I have for this semester and also the previous semester. Okay, for example, this is my class BMM 2623 Advanced CAT for this semester. Yeah, this is the timeline of the class, the assignment, all the lecture notes and videos shared in this class, and this is all the classwork. Yeah, and this is all the list of people or the students inside this class. Yeah, so how the student can enroll in this class is just that you go to setting, and then you give them this class code. So by using this class code they can enroll to this class. Okay, so back to how to set up a midterm examination or test using Google Classroom and link the Google form in this Google Classroom. First I need to go to the Google form created by our TDA, like this one. Yeah, so just click send, and then you go to the link, you copy the link, and then you go to Google Classroom, back to the advanced CAT class, go to classwork, click add assignment. Okay, for example, midterm test demo. Okay, instruction is answer all questions. Point is 100. The due date is the due date for the submission. For example, the test will be conducted tomorrow for 4th of June. The time, the test will be at 10. So, for example, the due date for the submission is at 12 and 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 p.m. Mhm. Okay, and then you can attach the Google form by clicking this attachment and then put the link, just paste it, and then add. Yeah, and then you can see this is the Google form attached, and you can also attach the question paper in the PDF format. For example, I just put this Porang Aku Janji Pelajar in PDF, then I attach it here for a demo. So this is the PDF. And then since the test will be conducted tomorrow at 10 a.m., so you can schedule this post. Just click here and then schedule. So 4th of June, you want it to be posted on 4th of June at 10:15 a.m. for example. Then you click OK, and then you click schedule. Okay, and then you can see here the blue one is the one that has been posted in this classroom, but the gray one is the one that is scheduled to be posted tomorrow. So the student can only see this post uh, at tomorrow 10:15 a.m. Okay, and they in the interface of the students where they can see this post, they can also submit their answers. Okay, where does all the submissions goes? I just show an example like for this one, like this assignment 3. Yeah, you can see it here. So this is the, for example, yeah, this is all the submission from each of the student. Okay, you don't have uh, to download each one, or you can also directly open this PDF and then give the marks. But if you want to do it later, or using any other tablets or any other marking apps that you want to do, you can just simply download it from your Google Drive. Yeah, for example, yeah, this is my Google Drive. Yeah, my Google Drive of my personal account for this Google Classroom. Yeah, you can see there is a folder created here which is classroom. Uh-huh. Then you go to this subject, BMM 2623 Advanced CAT, and then you can see here, assignment 3. Yeah, this is all the submissions submitted by the students. Yeah, you can simply download all in this folder, and you can also know the time that they submitted. Yeah, when they created and submitted. Mm-hmm. And also in this classroom, when they do the submission, you can also get a notification. Yeah, you will also be notified if they do the submission late than the time given. Yeah, so this is the short sharing session or tutorial on how you can use Google Classroom to conduct the midterm examination or test one for your subject. Okay, this is the end of this tutorial. Uh, Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.